Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Netflix with code. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. As you can see here, when we try to log into Netflix on our TV, you'll be able to find some code. So how do we use that? So first up, just go ahead and scan the QR from here. Use your phone, okay? And go ahead and open up the camera app or the Google app right here. Open it up and use the camera like so. Point the QR code, search. Now tap the website or link and go ahead and find the profile that you wanted to log in like so. Wait for it. Now, as you can see here, 4528 4541. It's the same number here, 4528 4541. Okay. If it matches, just go ahead and tap on sign in. And once done, enjoy Netflix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.